Hi everybody. Well, I just didn't care for this one, so I'm gonna pour over it. Poured my white house paint over top. That's eggshell. I'm gonna use my Sargent Pouring Medium mixture with my Australian Floetrol. So I'm gonna give this another whirl. I'm gonna put turquoise on the bottom. This is Pebeo turquoise, Pebeo. I'm gonna put, this pink is kind of thin, so I'm gonna use my orange. It's Pebeo orange with some gold in it. Too much paint probably. And then this is my Peridot Extreme Sheen. No, not Peridot. This is JDet, sorry, JDet Extreme Sheen by Deco Art. And this time I'll try the blue on the top and see what happens. Because I forgot to put it in. I feel like I need a lighter color on top. This is Amsterdam white with some Floetrol. Let's see how that goes. And I'll put my Australian Floetrol on top. Wow, that makes peacock cells when you put the white underneath. That's so cool. They look like little planets. Didn't get a lot of peach over here. I might not modify this one. I might just spin it out and see. Let's let it develop a bit. Let's try and get it unstuck. There, it's all moving now. That was my Australian Floetrol. my Australian Floetrol cell activator. Whoa. I think I like it just the way it is. All right, I like this one. I'm gonna leave it. And it's not modified, so there's a lot of good cells there. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? There. So if you don't have all the other paint mixtures like untinted house paint and varnish, you can use Sargent Pouring Medium. If you don't have Australian Floetrol, there's other recipes in my description under the video that you could use. Well, thanks for watching, and have a great day, everybody. Come back to Carol's Art Room. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's this dried little tile that I did, this simple bloom. Look how cool that is. It dried really good. Lots of cells, wow. Colors are pretty. Close up. There you go. Awesome. It'll look nice resin. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.